Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Fashion World. How are you friends? I hope all of you fine and happy. I have many prayers for you. May Allah give you happiness and more success. My dear friends, today my video topic about most stylish and beautiful graceful collection of stiletto, high heels, pumps and sandals. Discover the latest shoes, trend and style. Your next shoes. Best deserves celebrate at stylish MS hottest fit. Shoes love the mix of your texture, dresses and texture shoes. They look gorgeous together. I do love the texture of secret sweaters. Fashionable heel shoes for women, art and design, back pumps, different stylish shoes are usually one of the most have pointed to hollow out thin pumps and sandals, high heel shoes make your leg look long during. It make your temperament look good. Hi guys, always high shoes designs allow you to very smoothly. It is one of the highest of these high heel shoes. High quality fabrics make you comfortable, sexy close to pumps, sandals, different platform, still to high heel for modern women. Elegant, classic designs offer a unique, stylish look. Great for parties and social events. Fashion pattern type solid material, polyester, occasion varying shoes, heel height. So, dear viewers, I will tell you best website from here you can buy these latest collection of high heels online, so you may buy these website amazon.com, aliexpress.com and ebay.com. I always try to be useful video and content for you, so don't forget to like my video and give me your available feedback and what else you want to see about fashion, about watching and my video. If you like my video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share my video with friends.